You don't always spin those with a flywheel on it, do you?
This one's external balanced.
Is that what that means?
That's what that means.
Okay. Can't believe you found that so fast.
I saw it. I saw it where it went.
So not how many are external and in balanced?
Chevrolet's the 400 small blocks, 454s, and then Fords. A lot of the Fords are. Some other. I'm not going to go through all that. Just it's a bunch of different ones.
Okay.
Did you see the big counterweight right here?
Oh, is that what that is?
Yep.
So you'll
Plus it's got holes drilled over here too.
So you'll be taking.
See this big counterweight right here?
Mm-hmm.
That's a big counterweight also. So
that's where you'll take weight off? Or?
No, that's just why it's got to have these on there to balance it.
Okay.
Because they add weight. They add counterbalance to it.
All right. Today's the day of crankshafts.
Yep.
You're feeling cranky. Watch out.
Huh?
Watch out. You're getting too close to that.
Too close to it?
Yeah. Too close to it.
It's weird.
Why is it still ramping?
I don't know. It can't make up its mind. Which happens more often on these heavier assemblies.
Oh, okay. I didn't like the belt.
It's usually the first time that it spins the crank. It takes a little more time, but on these when these things are heavier with all this external balance stuff on it, it generally takes it more time.